Hey everyone, Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. Getting a little late start on it today. I was up earlier, but I started working on editing a video for the Prepping for Beginners series, number 8. Water is number 1. And so I'll be finishing editing that out today, and I'll be setting it up for a premiere on Friday morning, mid-morning. And so that'll be coming up then. But for now, I'm gonna get on the Gazelle, get at it. But stay to the end. At the end, we have I got a bunch of announcements to make, and I'll give you an update on the schedule for the live streams. All right, let's get at it. Caught my foot on the chair and knocked it into the tripod. Whew. Alright, so I only did 20 minutes on the Gazelle because my hip started hurting. I think I may have slept wrong last night, but it's been sore ever since I got it this morning, but yeah. So I had to cut it short there. Alright, items coming up here. Alright, so no live streams today. Tomorrow night is tomorrow night is the midnight ride here on Gray Man Prepping. On Friday on Camp Patton Family Compound, the topic is daily groceries versus monthly staples, and that was suggested by Butch at Sand Hollow Homestead, and based on what he saw people buying at Costco. You know, Costco is a great place to get monthly staples, but he saw so many people just getting, you know, daily groceries and stuff, and so he was, and he elsewhere. Anyways, he saw several things going on. It just made him wonder why people are shopping and buying for the short term rather than the long term. All right, Saturday, back here on Gray Man Prepping for Survival Saturday. We're doing a topic that was requested by Dr. Paula Ruffin. We're going to be talking about security cameras and the uses and which ones I found out I like and don't like over the years. On Monday on Camp Patton Family Compound, we're going to have Tammy from Rebel Canners and Mark from Chef Tech coming in, and we'll be talking about canning dairy. You know, canning milk, canning cheese, canning butter, and all the stuff you can do with dairy in canning it. Next Tuesday is what happens when you're away from home when a disaster strikes, like on vacation or on a business trip. So we'll be talking about that next Tuesday on Tactical Tuesday. All right, today's your prep for today is gardening tools. Do you have the gardening tools you're going to need for this spring for planting your garden? And have you been maintaining the tools you already have? So that's what our your prep for today is. So everyone, remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps. Water. It's the #1 failure point of all preppers. Food. Make sure you're storing what you eat and eating what you store. 3, medications. Make sure you have all the medications you need in case something happens where you can't get to them at the store for whatever reason. Clothing. It's #4. Do you have the clothing for all seasons? Do you have enough clothing to last you for a year or 2 or 3 in case there's a major disruption in the supply chain? Learn a new skill, whether it's leather working, whether it's pressure canning, whether it's electrical work, plumbing, whatever it is. Learn a new skill every month. All right? And remember, you really need to get prepped up.